Hey guys, Blue Ridge Rider. Tonight we're going to change a battery in a BMW motorcycle key fob. This is a really simple thing to do. What you're going to need first is a battery, and it's a CR2032. I always keep lots of 2032s around. It seems like we use a lot of that stuff in the house. You need something with a little tiny sharp blade. I'm just going to use this screwdriver for tonight. First thing you want to do is hit this button, pop the metal key out, and then this little side panel right here, it pops off. Just got to push with your thumb, kind of pop right off of there, and then you can see the battery. Then these bigger clips right here hold it in, so you want to get right on this edge right here, flip the battery out, take the new battery, pop it in, positive side up, put your case cover back on, fold your key down, key replaced. Thanks for watching.